this is my demo for part 3 of project 1. I'm just going to walk through my UI. After I downloaded all the necessary packages and created a virtual environment, I can run my code, and then the GUI starts up. From here, we first need to initialize, and then we can call it ping, but as you can see, if I try to call the ping first, it says to click initialize first, and then everything comes up in the console. So first initialize, and then there should be a status initialized. Click ping, and then the ping with the values return. And I can refresh the users to pull up the users. This would be the get user function. Yep, these are the 3 that we are currently using. I can also get images, refresh images just to show a list of, oh, I deleted all of them, but that would show up. If I did want to upload an image, I would insert a user ID, such as the first one we have, and then I can upload any file. So I could do this one, upload, and then after uploading, an asset ID will show up. If I wanted to upload the same file twice for the same user, it would still have a unique asset ID. As we can see, I can also upload ones that I inserted myself, like cat, JPEG, upload, and then just to have some more, I'll add it for some of the others as well. Maybe another Daegu. So we just have a few images, and then if you go back to the images tab, refresh images, this would be the get images. Yep, it lists all the information, the user ID, the asset ID, as well as the file and location. And then if you want to get image or download, I can pull up an asset ID of an image that I want to download, and then I can also put a file that I want to save it as, but that's not necessary. And then download, this image gets pulled up, which is really nice. If I want to take a different one, let's say the cat, and then I could save it as tester cat JPEG, download, and then this would be for the get image label function. I could take any asset ID. I'll take one of the cat, and then the label as well as the confidence value will pop up. Let me do a different one. We could do it for the Daegu, obviously different ones. And then this tab, search by image, would be for the get images with label function. So if I wanted to search a label like cat, it would show me the images that have label for cat. For animal, it should be all of them that I've uploaded so far because all of them have animals in them. And then going back to images, now that I have images uploaded for different users, I can also use this function to filter user ID, which would be really nice. So if I just want one from our first user, it'll just show up those. Then for the second user, same thing, and yeah. And then lastly, if at the end of this, I usually just delete all the images for delete images function, and that deletes everything. So if we go back to images, refresh, there's nothing for anything. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.